If you're struggling to get ungated in Amazon FBA, stay tuned because I'm going to share with you a list today that you can get ungated in thousands of brands automatically. But not only that, I'm going to give you suppliers that you can get ungated in using their invoices that Amazon accepts. Okay, so today I'm joined by Eamon McCaffrey from iGen Entrepreneur, and he's going to be sharing everything that he knows about ungating. Eamon, thank you so much for joining. Take it away. Tell us about getting ungated on Amazon.
Ungating, big challenge. A lot of people struggle with it when they first start on Amazon. To solve that problem, we have come up with a list of 2,800 ASINs that you can upload onto Seller Central to get auto-ungated in hundreds of different brands for both the US and UK markets, depending where you are. Now, to try and do that automatically, hope you can see my screen here. Let me click over onto the UK one. If we were to try and do this manually one by one, it would take forever. So we have not only this download guide, but we have a walkthrough guide of how to upload this in one bulk file and do it in seconds rather than spending weeks of your life doing this. Ping down through this. So we've got Funko, we've got Prime Energy, Ted Baker, Tassimo, we have La Roche, we have Burberry, we have all the big brands in the UK. In the US, we have a lot more. We have Panasonic, we have Staples, Tim Hortons, and Viper. We have hundreds. We have literally thousands. So, guys, if that seems that could help your business, it will. Download the link below. It's in the comment description below this video. Have a look at that. Going to have a wee chat now about why Amazon Gate products. But before I do that, as an added extra, within our how-to guides, this 19-page guide that we have, we are going to share with you how you can contact wholesalers directly to not only get the legitimate invoices that Amazon accept to get ungated, but also get access to wholesale stock at rock bottom prices to make bank on your listings. So why does Amazon gate listings, gate categories, and gate products? Very simply, they want to protect the customer at all costs. They want to ensure that all products being sold on the Amazon platform are 100% genuine and the seller selling them is trustworthy. So they make you jump through hoops to prove your worthiness, to prove your credentials, and to prove that the stock is legitimate. Very understandably so. Take it as a rite of passage, a medal of honor, that once you get ungated, Amazon is saying, hey, you're a seller we trust. You're somebody we want to do business with. So be proud when you get ungated. It is a struggle. There is challenges, which is why we've got the 20-page guide that includes that download list that shows you step by step how to get ungated, why Amazon do it, and a couple of insider tips, tricks, and hacks that are multiple levels of questionality as to how many people would know about them, but they work. They're what gives you that edge. Take it from multi-7-figure sellers, it's what we do. So let's move on. Let's look at the wholesale list. These are suppliers that I have personally used, past and present, in my business. So top 5 categories and suppliers we use within the UK. We have got gourmet food for all your groceries, FMCG categories. Tropical, brilliant company to deal with. Within beauty and personal care, we've got Health Store, massive website, thousands of products, near enough every cosmetic brand that you're going to want to try and get ungated within the UK, covered by those guys. Within health and households, we've got CLF distribution, and then an old favorite of mine, hand in heart, genuinely one of the first suppliers I ever dealt with, ABG of Ripley, absolute delights of people to deal with, family-run business, will bend over backwards to help you. And if you need ungated and toys, they are your go-to in the United Kingdom. And lastly, for fashionable clothing, we have got JLM, my apologies, Global. They have thousands of product lines within apparel, and they are who you want to go to. Then the US, if that's where you're based, obviously you want US-based suppliers. We have got E Distribution. They are the giants, the daddy of toys within North America. They have every new line coming out. They have all the licensing. They have all the letters of authorizations. They have all the documentation you need for toys. If that's what you're into, they're who you want to be speaking to, no one else. We then have collectibles, BCW. Personally never used them, but I know a lot of our clients that have and had brilliant success. Coming on down, I'll click through some of these. We've got Knowles for both personal care and grocery. And then within brand specific, you can go direct to the website. It's so obvious. You want to get Ungated and Lego? Go to lego.com. It's so obvious, people miss it. So they are just some of the wholesalers that we can use. We have much more in the download guide. If you don't know how to do the bulk upload of the ASINs, we've got a separate guide that shows you how to do that flat file and everything in between to cover you from start to finish on your ungating journey.
Fantastic. Thanks so much for that. Just a quick question. You talked about flat file. Like, what does that mean? Define it.
They are an Excel spreadsheet where you can put in thousands of lines of data. So if you had, say you wanted to sell an entire wholesale list, you can upload name of the product, your cost of goods, the ASIN, fill in all the different columns of relevant information for what you're trying to achieve. You upload the file in bulk to Amazon. Their computer, their algorithm, bot, whatever you want to call it, works through it and goes, yep, and within half an hour, bang, they're all uploaded, rather than copy and pasting thousands of times over. It is game changer. It is brilliant. It's tedious. One wrong comment in the wrong box, you'll get file error and you'll go around in circles for hours. So the guide makes you get it right first time every time.
And so thank you so much for sharing that, by the way. I think it's really useful. And that's obviously why I wanted to get you on today, to obviously share about this information, because I think it's a really good guide you put together. But I appreciate if someone doesn't know iGen, like, who are you guys? Tell us a little bit about you. Like, what do you guys do? Like, I'd be interested, obviously, for the audience too.
So, iGen entrepreneur, are you having trouble scaling? Do you need more resources within your business? Do you need more time? Do you need help with logistics? Do you need help knowing what to do and when to do it? Do you need help with accountability? That is who we are. We help people with VA recruitment. We help people with lead generation. We help people with logistics and organizing both their physical stock and the admin of their business. We've been operating for 8 years. We have operated in UK, North America, and Europe, both as sellers and helping other people work within those marketplaces. We run logistics, VA provision, and coaching and support. We do everything from A to Z. We don't do it for you because, let's be realistic, not enough hours in the day to really deliver on your business. We show you what you need to do. We tell you how to do it, and we help you get there.
And I'll just say to if anyone's interested, I'll drop a link down in the description below, also to iGen Entrepreneur, and also to these guides. And I think they're really, really helpful. And I particularly like the list. But if anyone is thinking about getting ungated, do learn the upload, the flat file. Honestly, it's a game changer, and it just makes your life so much easier. And no one wants to put in 2,000 ASINs to try and get ungated when you can just do it in one go. So definitely take time to learn that. So you get so game changing. Iman, I just want to say thank you so much for sharing this, joining us.
If I want,
and hopefully I can get you back on, obviously, because I know you've got some other great content to share as well. I'll obviously share that with the audience as well. But for myself and everyone watching, thank you so much.
Thank you, Thomas.